Hi friends, let me show you these new GUDVUE blue light glasses that I received for reviewing purposes. They come nicely packed with this nice bag to protect them. Okay, you get also a cleaning sheet here and a testing kit. Okay, this is a blue light and you can see how the blue light creates a dark mark in this card. Okay. Okay, these are the lenses. As you can see, they are really nice. They are like rectangle. I like them. I like the shape of them. And they will help you in your computer, but also when you are driving to have less light in your eyes. Okay, so let's try this with the lenses. Okay, so through the lens, you see there's no dark in the white strip. So basically, you can see the lens is protecting the white strip from the blue light. And that's what we'll do with your eyes. So if you work a lot in the computer, if you are all the time in these kind of large monitors, this is a nice way to protect yourself. Thank you.